Good morning, children. It's your drawing class. Children, as Basant Panchami is around the corner, so we will draw a scene on Basant Panchami in our sketchbook. Please open the page. First of all, write down the date here. 16.2.2021. Okay, children. First put your pencil here and draw one sleeping line like this. First make a circle like this, small circle. Now put your pencil here, draw U, that is upside down U like this. Again draw upside down U like this. Put your pencil here and draw standing line like this. Now we will draw leaves. For that you will draw slant line here and slant line here. Now make a semicircle like this. Again from here make a semicircle like this. See children, we have drawn leaf. Again we will draw leaf. Now again put your pencil here, make a small circle. Now from here draw upside down U. Once again draw upside down U like this, and once again draw like this. Now from here make standing line like this. Now for leaves, first make slant line here and slant line here. Now draw semicircle like this and again semicircle like this. Once again semicircle like this. Okay, again we will draw one more flower. So make a circle like this. Again upside down U like this. Once again upside down U like this. Again from here you will make upside down U like this. Now standing line. And for leaves, children, put your pencil here, draw slant line like this, semicircle, and from here draw a semicircle. Now we will draw kites. So put your pencil here, draw slant line down, again slant line down like this. Now from here again slant line down and go up and join it here. Now make sleeping line like this and one standing line. Now from here make small triangle like this. Now put your pencil here and make a string like this. Okay children, now we will make one more kite. So put your pencil here, slant line down. Again from here slant line down. Now again slant line down and slant line up. Standing line, make standing line and sleeping line. After that from here make small triangle. Again put your pencil here and make a string like this. Now we will draw bushes like this. Slant line up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay children, now let's start coloring. We will color these flowers in yellow color. Children, do your coloring very neatly and nicely. Now color this one also in yellow color. Now children, we will color these circles in brown color. Like this. Now we will color leaves in green color. Like this. Children, color it very nicely and neatly. Now we will color the bushes in green color. Now children, we will do color in the kites and you can use any color of your choice. Make your kite very colorful. Children, you will also draw and color this scene in your sketchbook nicely. Happy Mission. Okay, bye.